Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. So today's video is going to be getting my stuff together. So I have a list on my phone. Let me grab it because I want to go over everything we're going to get done today. So the first thing I want to do is donate some clothes and drop those off. So I'm going to go upstairs to get the clothes, put them in some bags. I have some in the garage already that need to be donated to, so we're going to take those. We're also going to do a return to FedEx, so I need to take my old laptop and return it to FedEx, and then I need to clean out my car and go through the car wash. And there is a little bit of tidying up I want to do in our garage, and I want to write out some new workouts on our chalkboard in the garage. And then there's a closet upstairs with some of our coats in it that I just need to kind of remove those and reorganize. So since I'm going upstairs now, I'm gonna first do the donations and rearrange the coats. We can do that all in one. And then we'll head out and get the car cleaned and all that fun stuff. So welcome back to a new video. I hope you guys enjoy it. This is just gonna be a productive day in my life and I'm super excited, and I'm gonna end the day with getting a pedicure. So let's go ahead and get started. Another thing I need to do, while I just saw it, is put Lila's clothes away. So we will do that first. Then we'll do the coats and figure out the donations. So there's not a ton to clean up in the garage, but I do want to wipe this back wall off so I can write some new workouts out. So I'm going to do that now, and then I'll probably do the writing the workouts later, but just want to clean this off while I'm in the garage already. Not sure exactly what to use, so hopefully this works fine. Oh yeah, this is great. Just gonna check my phone and see what I've already done. So I have gotten the donations, rearranged the coats, tidied up the garage. So I only have a few things left. So I'm gonna clean my car out. I think I'm gonna do that at the car wash because it just makes it easier. So I'm gonna do that there and then return my laptop to FedEx and drop the donations off, and then later write the workouts on here, and then I'm going to get a pedicure after all that. So yeah, Let's go.
The alarm went off. I remember that stupid idea, 5, 4, 3, 2, and then I started thinking, well, I don't feel like it, and what's it going to solve, and I don't really want to, and 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, I'm up again. And it was the third morning where I said to myself, look, Mel,
I just cleaned my car out and got gas, so that feels really good. And now I'm about to drop off this package at the FedEx that's inside Walmart. So I'm hoping it's easy to do, but I just am gonna go drop that off now and then head back home. So we just got back from Costco. I think I mentioned before that we just got a membership and we finally were able to go without the baby and go like stock up on literally everything. So I was gonna do a little haul and show you guys what we got really quick. Got some fresh flowers. We wanted to try these fish sticks. I think Lila will really like them. Then Lila loves this cheese, so we got a big thing of that. Got some grapes. I wanted to try this chicken pad thai because it sounded really good. Andy wanted to try these burrito bowls, so we got those. So we got fish oil, we got a big thing of Cliff Bars. Andy takes these to work. And then I tried these nuts at my friend's house one time and they were so good, so I wanted to get a bag of them. And then we got a big thing of bananas. We got a big pack of Alani's. I'm very excited about this. This comes with the orange kiss, the cherry twist, and the pink slush. You get 18 of them. Got this huge thing of laundry detergent. And then I'm super excited about these because they are to organize our cabinets with, which are a huge disaster right now. So we're gonna try to knock that out today. Then we got this rosemary Parmesan cheese loaf that Andy really wanted. We got some peanut butter pretzels. We got some Unreal bars. We got a bunch of the Archer Farms grass-fed beef sticks. Got this 4-pack of pizza, which will be really nice on nights where we just don't feel like cooking. And we got a big thing of coffee, some animal crackers for us to snack on and for Lila to snack on. And we got a big thing of mac and cheese because we always need this as a side. And then we got this ginormous box of diapers that should last us quite a while. So we got quite a big haul. It was not cheap, but I feel like we will definitely get our use out of all this, but we just have to try to organize it all now. So what we're gonna do now is try to put it away. I think there's some stuff in the freezer we can throw out to make room for some of this stuff, and then we can kind of consolidate some stuff in the pantry. So we're gonna do that now. And at some point today, I want to organize the shelves in my closet that I talked about, so we'll probably be doing that. And then we'll also do the under the cabinet storage, and hopefully Lila takes a good nap. We just put her down. Hopefully she stays asleep for like 2 hours. We can knock all this stuff out and get some cleaning done as well, because we need to like vacuum down here. So that's the plan. Hopefully we can get all that accomplished. Do you know what they mean? They mean the plant hasn't had enough water.
It's pretty self-explanatory. And that's also super rude.
Dumping those in the sink?
No, me saying what I said.
Can you give me the watering can?
Nice. This is edgy.
Edgy footage?
Yeah.
I did not choose to film this.
This is kind of behind the scenes, folks. This is how the meat's made.
Okay, so now we are in my closet. I am trying to kind of make a game plan in my head of what I want to do first, but I'll show you guys what I got from Amazon. So I got these. So I already put 2 leggings in there. I was just kind of playing around with it, but they have dividers. I think there's 6 of them. So I was thinking of doing like sports bras, tank tops, leggings, maybe even like some socks or something with these, and then kind of being able to like see what's in here. So I think I'm going to start with that, but I think I'm going to pull everything out and throw it on my bed so we can kind of see what all we have. And then I also have like pajamas in here, so that's what this is. And then like swimsuits and stuff, and then other stuff here, a bunch of sports bras. This is all my leggings. And then up there is like paperwork and stuff, and then I think like little shorts and stuff that go under dresses. And then I have like Pilates socks and stuff in here, and then a bunch of bags and hats. And then I have more bags and stuff in another closet. So it would be nice to have everything in one place. Like I can definitely move this to my office since it's just like important papers and stuff. So we shall see what we can do with this mess. But this is like the last place that really needs like an overhaul. So should be good, and let's see what we can get accomplished. Okay, here's the final reveal. So I did like extra hats and stuff up here. I think my swimsuits are in there. This one has like just other purses and random stuff. This has some like fluffy socks. I have a sock problem. I have a lot of socks. So my like fluffy thick socks are in here. These both have pajamas. And then here's the leggings and the sports bras and tank tops. And yeah, I feel like I have so much more space now. There's these 2 like shelves that we could use for really anything. So yeah, I'm feeling pretty good about it. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was a little different for my channel just to do a full like organizing video, but I'm trying to have more themed videos this year and I'm really trying to grow my channel. So if you do like this video, make sure you subscribe. I have a lot of you that watch my videos but aren't subscribed, so I would really appreciate having you part of the family. And I hope you guys have a great week and I will see you in the next video.